This is just a review of what we did today to help you along with your homework tonight, just in case you forget. So today everybody took the alphabet challenge, and you said the alphabet as quickly as you can, and you did it 4 different times, so that you had 4 trials. Then you took those 4 trials and you found what was your average time to say the alphabet. For homework tonight, you're going to find 2 family members and you're going to find their average time. So we're just going to do a review of what we did today. So let's say family member mom did the alphabet challenge, and her first trial was 2.82 seconds, which means 2 whole seconds and 82 100ths of another. Her second trial was 3 whole seconds and 15 100ths of another, 3.15. Third trial was 2.54 seconds, or 2 whole seconds and 54 100ths of another second. And then her last trial was 2.75, or 2 whole seconds and 75 100ths of another second. So what you're going to do is you're going to take those 4 trials and you are going to add them together. And notice that my decimals are all lined up. In order to add decimals, they have to be lined up perfectly. So I line them up, and I'm going to put my big decimal right there, and then I'm going to start adding my numbers, just like I normally would. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 4 plus 5 is 9, so 7 plus 9 is 16, carry the 1, 8, 9, 10, and 5 and 7 is 12, and 10 is 12, 22, carry the 2, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this person recited the alphabet 4 times, and it took 11 seconds and 26 100ths of a second. Now I'm going to divide those 11.26 divided by the 4 trials to find my average time. Don't forget, again, when dividing, it's going to be just like you would divide anything else, except for you have to make sure that first decimal point is all lined up perfectly. So notice I lined it straight up from the decimal point right here in the dividend. So now, how many 4s are in 1? There aren't any. How many 4s are in 11? There are 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to subtract just like I normally would. 11 take away 8 is 3. I'm going to bring down the 2. How many 4s are in 32? There are 8. 8 times 4 is 32. 0. I'm going to bring down the 6 because I'm working through the hundreds column here. How many 4s are in 6? There's 1 4 in 6. Minus 4. I do have a remainder of 2, but we are just stopping there in the long division process right now because I've asked you just to go through the 100th of a second to bring us to this place here. And later on, we will talk about what would you do with that remainder. So the average time for this particular person is 2 whole seconds and 80 100ths of another second, or 2.81.